Imagine this. You have built a life in the UAE, a home, investment, and a family. What if I told you without one critical document, all these assets of yours could be frozen in the court for years or distributed against your wishes? I'm Nimi Sam, a lawyer at Ralk Law Firm specializing in UAE asset protection. Today, I will show you why every UAE resident needs to register their will and answer some frequently asked questions. Let's move on to the first question. What happens if I don't have a will? Without a will, your assets could be distributed as per the Sharia law or your personal laws, which might be against your personal wishes. This can lead to prolonged legal battles and emotional distress for your family. Can my children inherit my assets in the UAE? Yes, but without a will, the process can be very complicated and lengthy. However, if you have a will, this ensures that your assets are distributed as per your wishes, and this will help to expedite the transfer process. Can I include my digital assets in my will? Yes, you can. It is very important to mention all your online platforms, digital accounts, and cryptocurrencies in order to make sure how you want them to be managed and distributed. Are wills made in the other country valid in the UAE? While a foreign will can be recognized, it might not be fully enforceable in the UAE without going through the local legal proceedings. It is advisable to have a will registered in the UAE specifically for your UAE assets. How does a guardianship will work in the UAE? A guardianship will allows you to appoint a legal guardian for your minor children in the event of your passing. This ensures that the care for your children is decided by you and not the court. What if you buy another property after you have registered your will? There are two scenarios that you can consider in this case. Firstly, you can add your new property into the existing will and modify the will to make sure that this property is distributed and managed as per your wishes. Secondly, you can draft your will with an open-ended language to automatically include any future acquired properties. Although, it's always a good practice to review and update your will periodically. Can you add your child who's not yet born in the will? Yes, you can include provisions for future children in your will. This ensures that your wishes regarding their inheritance are already in place, ensuring a peace of mind and protection for your growing family. How often should you update your will? It is recommended to review your will every few years or after a major life event like marriage, divorce, birth of a child, or after a significant financial change. So how can you start the process of creating a will in the UAE? Well, you can begin by contacting us at Ralk Law Firm. We specialize in asset protection and will registration in the UAE. Our team can guide you through the entire process, ensuring that all the legal requirements are met and your wishes are clearly stated. Please feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.